Hello, this is Cooper from Weather for BMW, and today I wanted to talk about the hidden features on climate control. We have this little settings button down here. To get into climate control, if you haven't watched other videos, click climate menu down here at the bottom. That'll be settings. These are the hidden settings in this area. We have driver, front passenger, second row, as well as preconditioning the vehicle. Driver will have the temperature adjustment, upper body and lower body. If you want it to be, for example, warmer on the upper body or colder on the lower body, you can adjust that. Seat heat distribution, you could either have it more on your back or more on your legs, depending on what you want. You could adjust it up and down. The car has to be on though. Heated armrest, that's where the armrests are heated up. You could turn that on and off. Front passenger, you can adjust that. For example, temperature adjustment for the upper body, you could have it hotter or cooler, as well as you have the same seat. Second row, you can actually turn on rear climate control. Normally, you don't want to reach all the way back there and try to fiddle with it. You can turn it on right here. You can also activate while default settings. So what this will do is it'll activate with default settings in mind, where it will sync up, for example. Automatic climate, this is where the fan will automatically adjust for you. You can adjust the fan speed, driver's side or passenger side for the second row. You can adjust the temperature for that, as well as you can lock if you don't want people in the back fiddling with it. This is Cooper from Weather for BMW. Have a wonderful rest of your day.